Okay, here we are with question 2. A $5 million issue of serial bonds to finance a capital project was sold at 102 plus accrued interest in the amount of 50,000. The accrued interest and the premium were recorded in the debt service fund. Accrued interest on bonds sold must be used for interest payments. The premium is designated by state law for eventual payment of the bond principal. Okay, so what is this saying here? It's saying $5 million is the bond principal, right? The PRINC, okay. And it was sold at 102, right? That means 2% above the 5 million. So if we take the 5 million and multiply it by 0.02, that will give us the $100,000 bond premium. Okay, remember that from back in 201, 202, somewhere around there. Accrued interest, so we have 50,000 of accrued interest. So the bonds were issued to finance a capital project. So that means we're going to start off in the capital projects fund. Now we issued it for 5 million. So we got cash. Then we'll have other financing sources, proceeds of bonds payable. So that was the 5 million, and we got that from the bond. So that's bond principal. And now we're going to go into the debt service fund. Because that's where our debt is paid for. Right? And it also said that the premium and accrued interest goes in there, right? So we're going to get cash of 150, which is going to be broken down by other financing sources, premium on bonds payable. And then we have the revenues. So the cash was 150, the premium was 100, and that means we have revenues of 50,000. Okay. Now we're going to go down to the governmental activities. there we got the cash, right? And we have bonds payable. And we have the interest. Whoops. And then the premium. Okay. So our bonds payable was what? 5 million. Our interest payable is 50,000, and our premium is the 100. So defluffing, all we had to do was look at this information right here, and we were able to do all of these. Okay. So I'm going to take a little break, and then I will come back with part 3.